Life often feels like a struggle. We look at others and think they have more power, more success, more happiness. But sometimes, the journey to better begins with realizing the strength we already hold. There was once a stonecutter who felt unhappy with his life. Every day he worked hard, breaking stones under the blazing sun. He wished he could be powerful, like the rich merchant in town. One day, his wish came true. He became the merchant, admired and respected. But soon he saw a king, and thought, the king is greater than any merchant. I wish to be the king. And so he became the king, powerful, feared, and obeyed. Yet when the sun shone down, even the king could not stop its light. The stonecutter wished to be the sun. As the sun, he felt unstoppable. But then the clouds gathered, blocking his rays. He wished to be the clouds. As clouds, he covered the land. Yet the wind blew him away. He wished to be the wind. As the wind, he was powerful. But then he saw a stone, unmoved by his force. He wished to be the stone. As the stone, he felt strong, unshakable. Until one day, a stonecutter came with his tools and began to break him apart. And in that moment, he realized the truth. The strength he had been searching for was already within him. He didn't need to be anyone else. His persistence, his work, his ability to shape the world, that was his real power. The bridge to better is not about becoming someone else. It's about crossing from doubt to belief, from weakness to strength. Like the stonecutter, you already hold the power to build your better life. Step onto the bridge and walk toward your greatness.